Speaking of bolting, what do you guys think about bolting?
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaka yo, we're outside again. Yes, family. And today we're up on Soho Road. You get me? We might as well ride up it over here. If you're new to the channel, family, don't forget share, like, comment, subscribe. Let's see if we can turn that all around. Soho Road's looking super busy today, man. So these cars need tuning up or something. He's gonna turn right there, so we ain't even gonna do that. Yeah, well, let's see what Soho Road's got for us today. I wonder if someone can tell me what that might be. So sometimes, once I've been riding a bike for a bit, park it up, it cools down for a bit. When I jump back on it, sometimes it cuts out. I mean, it's alright now, but it does that sometimes. What do you reckon? The cars need balancing? Maybe they need cleaning? Like, what do you reckon? Or maybe it needs heating up a little more. Or some bolting thing. Didn't even see who they want people to hope for. Speaking of bolting, what do you guys think about bolting? On like, what do you call it, like a parliamentary type level? I mean, me personally, I just feel like it's just the same pressure, oppressors with different techniques of oppression. Do you get me? They say they're going to do one thing to get voted in, and then they do the opposite of what they said they're going to do. Like, that's how they stay in it. You know what I mean? Like, it's the same bird, different wings, isn't it? It's still going to the same place ultimately, isn't it? That's how I see it, isn't it? Because like back in the day, they'll be saying things like, oh, by 2030, England's going to look like X, Y, and Z. Now, do you really think that these men are going to stray from the program just because they're different people in power? Like, they're going to the same place. Let's not be silly. You know what I mean? Don't make them give you the illusion of inclusion. You get me? The illusion of choice. You get what I'm saying? Like, regardless, look at all the voting that's been going on. And look at where we're at now. You know what I mean? They might blow away Iran and all kind of madness. You know what I mean? Look at even like the Brexit thing. The amount of people that was like, oh yeah, come out of the EU, rare, this and that, the terror. Okay, come out of the EU, now what? And you know what, it's funny, you know, because one of the main reasons why enough people used to say come out of the EU, and it was mainly like the right-wing dons. They used to be like, oh, because of the immigration, this and that, da 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 da. Now what are they bawling about now? Immigration, these talk about the EU. So what was all that about really? Like, what was it about? Like, let me know in the comments. Like, let's do that, innit? Like, let me know what the hell that was all about. You get me? But yeah, guys, I digressed a bit still. This is Soho Road, Handsworth. And if you keep going up Soho Road, it leads you into like, it leads you into West Bromwich. And if you keep going straight all the way, just stay kind of in that direction up so you end up like the Black Country, like Dudley ways and that. And when you go across these lights, on the left hand side is Grandad's patties, bad boy patties, every time. No, you can't just walk in the road, so aren't you? We're past it. Oh, it's right over there, guys. Grandad's patty. Right there. If you're in this area and you want patties, Grandad patties. If that fails, at the bottom of the road going that way, David's Bakeries. I can't lie, I do love a Grandad patty. Banging. Even though I just had a patty from Davies, which was nice still. Oh, man's making me know some police don't, that's all. That's what I like about Birmingham, you know. I don't know about other areas here, but there's certain spots here where, yeah, they'll let you know what I'm going. Oh, on this side. I need to turn around anyway. Yo, feds are looking some peas and money them a look.